So here at the Engineering Academy, we have a lot of opportunities here. We have the ability to go to many internships. One of the most popular ones is the Boeing internship, which I personally did this summer. And I got to work with a lot of Boeing engineers. And we get to do a lot of projects here. Like for me, I personally like to do more of the coding and computer science aspect of robots and stuff. So I get to do projects with these massive RC cars that's basically going to be in a fully autonomous with artificial intelligence, where it can be placed anywhere and it can come out and it can find its way out.
This academy has done so much for a lot of students. We're able to work on the design and manufacturing process and work on a lot of cool projects. Like the NASA contract, we were able to make NASA parts and a bunch of car parts from for just personal projects.
Hi, so in the Engineering Academy, we learn a lot of different skills, and one of the skills I've learned is leadership. I am one of the team leaders, so during robotics season, since there's a lot of us, a lot of new freshmen, a lot of new people joining the team, we help them out to learn where they want to be, specialize in the team, and we help them out if they want a machine or if they want to go into designing or into leadership. I help them out personally. And yeah, there's just a lot of different opportunities we have here.
Okay, so hello everyone. This is something that we do here at the Academy of Manufacturing and Engineering. Right here is students driving a radical car on a track that's nearby. This is some of the things that we do here at the Academy. It's fully emotional. The steering wheel, it's really fun. We do a lot of crazy things. We drive a lot of electric cars here. And yeah, and all of this, the platform and you see here, it's all hand built and everything.